Good morning, students. In previous class I completed exercise number 9.2, question number 8. So now I will start question number 9. So this question is related to middle terms. Again you have two important formula. So middle terms of arithmetic progression is depend upon the total number of terms, that is n. So if n is even, yes, we have two middle terms. We have two middle terms if n is even. So the first middle term is n by 2 term and another one n by 2 plus 1 term. So these two are the middle terms if n is even. So if n is odd, that's no problem, very simple. If n is odd, that's n plus 1 whole divided by 2th term is the middle term. Okay, here the question is find the sum of two middle terms. So two middle terms means no doubt definitely will get n value is even. Okay, let's see the question. The given progression minus 4 by 3 first term, minus 1 second term, minus 2 divided by 3 third term, and the last term they given 4 whole 1 divided by 3. 4 whole 1 divided by 3. Yes, before going to start, first you find how many terms are there. Okay, na? Yes, from minus 4 by 3 to 4 whole 1 by 3. How many terms? We don't know number of terms. So complete middle terms depend upon number of terms. First you find the number of terms. What is the value of A? So A value is equal to minus 4 by 3. So D value minus 1 minus of 4 by 3. So D is equal to minus 1 minus of minus, that is 4 by 3. Take LCM. 3 is the LCM. So minus 3 plus 4. So this is equal to 1 divided by 3. The value of D is equal to 1 by 3. So this one taking as a last term, denoted as N, AN. 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 3. First we should find the value of n. Yes, this is the first part. We cannot find sum of two middle terms directly. Why? Because if n is even, we have two middle terms. Okay, na? Right. The formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an 13 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3, n we don't know, minus 1, d value that is 1 by 3. Yes, therefore 13 by 3, we take this term here, no problem, plus 4 by 3 is equal to, multiply these two, n into 1, so n by 3 minus 1 by 3. So this implies, correct? Right, 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3, we take this term here, plus 1 by 3 is equal to n by 3. Therefore, n by 3 is equal to, as 3 LCM, 13 plus 4 plus 1. Therefore, n by 3 is equal to 13 plus 4, 17 plus 1, 18 divided by 3. Therefore, n is equal to 18 into 3 divided by 3. Cross multiply, yes, gets cancels. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 18. Okay, na? As if n is, as if n is given, that is 18, therefore middle terms are, as we have two middle terms. So first one n by 2 term, and so another one n by 2 plus 1 term. So these two are the middle terms. Okay, find one by one now. That's the first middle term. We have to calculate sum of two middle terms. So two middle terms means that is understood n is always even. Yes, first you find the value of n by 2. n by 2 means that is 18 by 2. 18 by 2 means that is 9th term of the given sequence is one of the middle term. So ninth term means that is a plus 8d according to standard form. I told you the standard form of AP is very important. So a plus 8d is the ninth term. So and another one, so n by 2 plus 1th term. So n by 2 means that is 18 by 2 plus 1th term. Yes, 18 by 2 means 9 plus 1th term. Yes, this is equal to, yes, 10th term. Very important. So 10th term is equal to, according to standard form, a plus 9d. Therefore, sum is equal to a plus 8d plus a plus 9d. So this is equal to 2a plus 17d. So this is equal to 2, a value minus 4 divided by 3 plus 17. So d value, earlier we got the value of d is equal to 1 by 3. So this is equal to minus 8 by 3 plus 17 by 3. Take LCM, minus 8 plus 17 by 3. So 17 minus 8. So that is equal to 9 by 3. The final answer is 3. So this is the sum of two middle terms of the given progression. The final answer is 3. Thus, this is very important. N is even, we have two middle terms. N is odd, we have only one middle terms. That is n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay? Yes, this is about question number 9. Okay, next we move to question number 10. Let's see question number 10. Which term of the AP? Yes, first note down the given sequence, that is 53, 48, 43. The question is, first negative term is first negative term. First negative term. Before going to find, first you try to understand that question. Just to observe the terms. Goes on decreasing. Definitely you get negative term. The question is, which is first negative term? You see, observe here. The terms goes on negative. 53, 48, 43. The value of d is 5. That's less 5 again. Next 38, 33, 28, 23. Definitely you get negative term. The question is, you have to calculate the first negative term. So the procedure is, as usual again, the value of a is equal to 53. The value of d is equal to 48 minus 53. Therefore, the value of d is equal to minus 5. Okay, na? The question is first negative term. You have to calculate first a n. N we don't know. N we should find. As the formula, a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a n is equal to a 53 plus n we don't know minus 1, d value minus 5. Therefore, a n is equal to 53 minus 5n, minus into minus, plus 5. Therefore, a n is equal to 53 plus 5, that is 58 minus 5n. That's now very important. So how can you calculate which is first middle term? So here we have nth term here, a n is equal to 58 minus 50n. Now, sorry, 5n. Now we give the values of n. Suppose n is equal to 1. 5 into 1, 5. 58 minus 5, that is 53. As if n is equal to 2, 48. If n is equal to 3, 42. You will get. As by inspection method. So it should be, I mean the value of 5n should be greater than 58. Then only you will get negative term. For example, 5 into 10, 50. 58 minus 50, that is 8. Positive again. For example, 5, n is equal to 11 you give. N is equal to 11 means 5 into 11, 55. 58 minus 55, 3. Again positive. Next coming to next one, 12. N value 12. 5 into 12, 60. 58 minus 60, minus 2. That is negative term. Calculate by inspection method. Yes, by inspection method. By inspection method, In examination also write in this way, no problem. Put n is equal to 12. As 12, 13, 14 goes on, the terms will be negative. As A12 is equal to 58 minus 5 into 12. So A12 is equal to 58 minus 16. So A12 is equal to minus 2, which is negative. Which is negative. 13 is also negative, but the question is first negative term. First negative term is 2, but which is first negative term? That is 12th term is first negative term. Therefore, right here, 12th term is first negative term. Okay, that is, yes. Now we write A12 is equal to minus 2. Yes, this is the meaning of this question. Okay, right. Very simple, but try to understand the given question properly. Next, question number 3. Determine the AP. So AP means, I told you, while you are finding the AP, you must use the standard form of arithmetic progression, that is A plus D, A plus 2D. Minimum 3 terms you should write. As let the required AP is given by 3 terms, right? A plus D, A plus 2D, yes, and so on. Now, whose fifth term is 19? Fifth term, A5. According to standard form, A plus 4D is equal to 90. And the difference of 8th term from the 13th term, as A13 minus A8. 8th term from the 13th term, difference is equal to 20. As the question is, find A value and D value. If you know A and D, you can write any terms of arithmetic progression. As by using this, A13 means according to standard form A plus 20. A8 means, yes, put bracket, A plus 70 is equal to 20. Thus, what about this one? According to standard form, 12th term is A plus, 13th term is A plus 20. 8th term is A plus 70. Put bracket, very important. So, A plus 12B minus A minus 70 is equal to 20. Minus A plus A gets cancels. So, 12 minus 7, that is 5D, is equal to 20. Therefore, the value of D is equal to 20 by 5. Therefore, the value of D is equal to 4. Okay, na? As this one, let as 1. Let's replace this value from equation 1 here. A, we don't know. 4 into D, 4 into 4 is equal to 19. Therefore, A plus 16 is equal to 19. Therefore, A is equal to 19 minus 16. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 3. A value 3 and D value 4. As now we write one by one term. As first term, that is A is equal to 3. Next, second term is equal to A plus D, that is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Third term, A plus 2D, yes, add D to the second term, that is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So, these are the required terms. Therefore, the required AP is given by 3 7, 11 and so on. If you have any doubt, just to check, will you get common difference constant or not? 7 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 7, 4. 7 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 7, 4. So these terms are in the form of arithmetic progression. Yes, this is about question number 11. Yes, let's see question number 12. Determine the AP again. Yes, question number 12. Let the required AP is given by, again same procedure, take three terms A plus D and A plus 2D and so on. The question is, whose third term is 16? Third term A3. So according to standard form, A plus 2D is equal to 16. This one call it as 1. And seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Seventh term A7 exceeds means 12 by the fifth term, that is A5. So A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Yes, by using this, A7 A plus 6D, A5 A plus 4D plus 12. So A gets cancelled. 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. Therefore 2D is equal to 12. Therefore D is equal to 12 divided by 2. Therefore the value of D, that is common difference, is 6. Next, from 1. So A plus 2, D value 6 is equal to 16. Therefore A plus 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 12. Therefore the value of A is equal to 4. Now you write one by one term. As first term A is equal to 4. Second term A plus D, 4 plus 6, 10. A plus 2D or 10 plus 6, both are same, that is 16. Therefore required AP is given by as 4, 10, 16 and so on. Now we check 10 minus 4, 6, 16 minus 10, 6. So this is the required AP, 4, 10, 16 and so on. Okay. Yes. Let's see today's last question, question number 13. Find the 20th term. Question number 13. Find the 20th term, that is A20 is equal to question mark. Immediately write the value of n is equal to 20. Whose seventh term is A7 is equal to 24 less than the 11th term. 24 less than the 11th term, that is A11. A11 minus 24. First term being 12. This one correct as 1. First term they give 1. A is equal to 12. We don't know D. First we find the value of D. As A7, A plus 6D is equal to A plus 10D minus 24. Okay, na? No need to replace A, gets cancelled. So 6D minus 10D is equal to minus 24. Therefore minus 4D is equal to minus 24. Minus gets cancelled. So D is equal to 24 divided by 4. Therefore the value of D is equal to 6. If D is equal to 6, we know the value of A. We can write the 20th term easily. Second part, A value 12, D value 6, n is equal to 20. We should find A20. As formula for this, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a20 is equal to a12 n 20 minus 1, d value 6. So a20 is equal to 12 plus 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 6. 19 into 6. 6 9 is 54. 6 1 is 6 plus 5. 114. So a20 is equal to sum of these two, 126. The 20th term is 126. Thus this is our question number 13. Okay. We shall discuss remaining questions next period.